Hey guys, welcome back to Talking About Outdoors. Basically, I got a new gun for my birthday, and Dad bought him a new gun as well. So make sure to like and subscribe, and let's check out his gun first.
Cool. All right. It's the Savage 93F. It's barrel length's about 21 inches long, so it's short, relatively short. You know, of course, all 22s rimfires generally are. Weighs in somewhere around close to 5 pounds, something like that. It is bolt action. We was torn between the two, but we decided that maybe the bolt action was the better way to go, so we went the bolt action way. So we're just going to unbox, take everything off. It comes with some things. We got a Simmons 22 mag scope for it, 3x9. So I think we've got everything to put it together, and then we're going to shoot later on.
And whoever made this gun is trying to protect our ears from busting out, so they gave us eardrum protectors.
They did, didn't they?
Yes.
They came with a gun lock and different things, so we're excited about getting it together. It's gonna put this together and shoot it.
Yep.
Today.
Yep. And if you ever get one of these, and this little red flag thing is like right here, all you need to do is just pull it out, lift it up, pull it out. That's all you gotta do.
All right, so we're gonna probably put this in quick form, but we're gonna get it ready, put it on the vise, put the rails on, put the scope on, kind of clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna get ready to shoot. You excited about it, Tucker?
Yep. And by the way, this is the bolt action thing where you pull it back and it cocks. So here's that. And so maybe we can get this put together. Maybe.
Real quick.
We got instructions. So we're gonna check out my gun after he's done with his gun, which is very, very soft, and it comes with this. So we'll see you guys when we get done with both of our guns.
All right.
That actually looks gooder than I expected it would.
Gooder is your language teacher would like to hear that, wouldn't she?
Yes.
Okay, guys, we got the scope mounted, got the mag in. I think it's a 7 round, maybe a 10 round, but I think it's a 7 round clip. You know, safety, bolt action. Hold on a minute, just to get it just a little bit. The scope come with some rings, but they wouldn't work. So be thinking about that. It does come with sling eyes on them already, which is something I really look at when of course you can add them. I mean, it's no big deal. But man, how important they are, especially when you're up in the mountain or you
got your hands full of hunting stuff.
Yeah, you want to put that sling on there, don't you? So we got this one mounted, got it to no bore sight. We're just going to shoot today. So probably shoot out about 20 yards and hone it in from there. And
see how it does.
We're shooting CCI mini mags, 40 grain varmint, hollow points. So we're going to sight it in with it. We're probably going to shoot somewhere and sight it in somewhere for 60, 65 yards, something like that, you know. Not get out there. You can sight them in a lot longer than that, no problem. But just kind of sight it in for that and see how it goes. Okay, Tucker. So we're done with our gun. As we said there earlier, it's a 22
Magnum.
22 Magnum, WMR. It does come with an Accu trigger. It does come with sling eyes. And comes with the mag and everything. It's a nice little gun, somewhere around the 250 mark, something like that. I bought this at Bass Pro, had some Bass Pro cards, so didn't have, as far as putting my own money in on it, didn't have to put a lot into it. So
and it comes with this too.
Yep. Yep. And so we're excited about getting out and shooting here in just a few minutes. We don't bore sight or nothing. Didn't bore sight this or nothing like that. So we kind of excited about getting out and shooting about 20 yards and see where it hits on paper, and then go from there. But you know, we'll see how we like it here in a few minutes. I'm sure that we will, don't you?
Yep.
Got a lot of good reviews on the gun. I mean, it's you know, but we're excited about shooting it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We got our old mask on. We're just being precautious.
Yeah. What is that scope that's on there?
It's a little Simmons. It's for a 22 Magnum.
Yeah. Let me get my... Wow.
I think I'm in the paper.
Yeah,
I'm-
you're in the...
I'm still low and way right, ain't I?
See how this fella's shooting?
Sitting there looking like this?
Yeah, so far he's not doing much good.
He's not.
I'm fixing to get her dialed in, boys.
Give him a shotgun.
It looks like I might need one.
Is that Tucker's gun?
That's mine. I'm gonna shoot again. I'm gonna shoot one more time.
What do you think they did? That about 100?
Probably, yeah.
What did you say?
On that band you did you take a magnifying glass and look at that band, see if it had anything on it?
You about needed one to see on it.
Yeah.
They're gonna cut them guys is gonna cut in.
All right.
Cause you're about a quarter down, but you're... Okay. How much do you go to the right? Are you ready to fire?
Yeah, I'm ready to fire now, buddy.
Okay, you went a little low on that one. Just little. It went low.
Let me say one more thing on the Savage 93F. I really like the trigger on it. I've never owned a Savage with the Accu trigger, and I like it. It's real crisp. I mean, it's nice. So either one of the guns shot really good. So we're well pleased. We're ready to put them into action, ain't we?
Yep.
We had a good time shooting, didn't we, buddy?
Yep. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe like I did earlier. Make if you turn on the notification bells, you'll know when we post a new video. So make sure to stay awesome and start killing those animals. Start killing those animals.
Team
All right,
force.
so see you later.